Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We've got our Subaru up here on a 2-post lift, but if you're going to do this in your driveway, you could use a floor jack, roll it under here, and you put your floor jack right here, lift up on the vehicle, and then put your 2 jack stands. There's a cutout here with a couple notches in the frame rail, basically right where this is, the lift pad. You put your jack stand right there, and do the same on the other side. That's how you can lift the front of the car. We're going to go to the back of the car. You can come in with your floor jack. You can put it right under here in the differential, lift it up, and put your jack stands right here in the frame rail. There's a couple notches on both sides. That's right where you want to put your jack stands, and that's how you do the rear of the car.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.